Most people ask this after trying ElevenLabs for a week. Is this actually worth paying for or just hype? So I used it for 30 days straight. YouTube scripts, shorts, client work. And here's the honest breakdown. No fluff, because the truth is, ElevenLabs is powerful, but not for everyone. First, what surprised me. The voice quality is actually legit. Not AI good, but genuinely close to human. It handles pauses, tone, even small emotions better than most tools. That's why a lot of creators use it for storytelling and videos, because it keeps people watching. And here's the real time saver. You don't need to regenerate 10 times. With cheaper tools, you keep retrying to fix the voice. With ElevenLabs, you usually get something usable in 1 to 2 tries. That alone saves hours over a month. Now, let's talk about voice cloning. This is where it stands out. You can clone a voice with just short audio and get something very close to real speech. Even compared to competitors, ElevenLabs is considered one of the best for cloning quality. For creators and agencies, that's huge. Second issue, workflow. It's amazing for voice, but not an all-in-one tool. You still need other tools for editing, video, or automation. And if you're doing bulk content, other platforms sometimes handle volume cheaper. Some tools offer higher limits or lower costs for large-scale generation, so it depends how you use it. Now, here's the real verdict after 30 days. If you're a YouTuber, freelancer, or business creating content regularly, ElevenLabs is 100% worth it. Because better voice equals better retention equals better results. But if you're just experimenting or rarely need voiceovers, you probably don't need a paid plan. Here's the simplest way to think about it. ElevenLabs is not about saving money, it's about saving time and improving quality. And if content is part of your business, that trade-off is usually worth it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.